Alright, I just got these two odd, they're clear, they're ball perfect masons. I got them right together and they're both a little different. They've got ridges and stuff, but I don't think I've ever found these ball masons. Not these ones. But I got a cool find. I just got here. I have to hammer it while I'm here because I got that little baby squirrel, but I already picked this up. It's a ceramic marble and it's glazed like a crock on the outside. Never found one of these up here. That's awful nice. We'll put that over in the bag and I'll get it cleaned up. That's a nice big shooter marble. It's like a clay that's glazed. I'm not sure if that's some kind of Bennington or I'm not sure. Later. Camera screen off. There we go. I got another one of these like glazed marbles straight back in here. Saw it flip out. I'm getting all kinds of those white crown caps too back in here that say 1910, but look at that. I don't think that's glass. Yeah, it's some kind of ceramic. It's glazed on the outside with a glaze. And they're big shooter size. These are nice. Wow. Well, anyway, I'll get back at you later. Alright, well, I got a day maker. I've been here about 25 minutes. I got two ball masons, a big like clay glazed Bennington marble, and I just got a Whistle Cola. It's a West Virginia bottle, and it's New Martinsville, West Virginia. It's pretty scarce. New Martinsville, West Virginia, and it's embossed Whistle registered up there, and it's a cool textured bottle. And it's very awesome. All right there, New Martinsville, West Virginia, Whistle Cola. Wow, it's the first one out of this dump. I found broken ones, but this is just a flawless one. I love it. Get right in my collection. Later, folks. Well, I love digging up on this spot. I got another Whistle Cola, and this one's embossed at the bottom, something Bottling Co. The Wills or Willis, I'll get it cleaned up. Wills Bottling Co. The other one didn't have this. New Martinsville, West Virginia, Whistle Cola. All right, you're not going to see these for sale with New Martinsville on the bottom. I bet you can't find one online for sale right now. It would have been a small bottling company in a town along the Ohio River, and man, that's nice. That is awesome. I'm kicking butt, folks. 2 right in a row within minutes. Later. All right, see this bottle here, how awesome this is. It says Whistle up here and Whistle down here. And it's a New Martinsville bottle too. I found this one broke before. No, this one's Moundsville, West Virginia. There's New Martinsville ones like this too. I really want one of these ones too, but this one's busted. That would have been a damn day maker. Wow. Moundsville. Later. Man, look at the decorations on this crock. Dot cobalt blue all over it. I got the side with the handle. That's a shame that's broke. That would have been like an $800,000-$900,000 crock, easy. Man, maybe I'll get one like this later. All right, I just raked out this insulator from right back in there. It looks like a perfect one. See what it says on it. Made in the USA. It's got numbers down there. And it's a Hemingway. Number 9. And it sure is perfect all over. It's a nice one. That'll go right in my cabinet. Man, that's in nice shape. Real nice shape. Nice old insulator. Wow. Wasn't expecting that back in there. Well, anyway, I'll get it cleaned up and show you later. It's a shame that's broke. It says Davy Crockett Indian Fighter, 1786, 1836. But look at all these white crown caps. I'm in a pocket of them. I'm just getting tons of them. Look, one, and they say 1910 on them. I'm gonna take this stuff down, take a break out my hole. It's getting backed up here on me, but I'm finding stuff later. See, there's 2 more of them white crown cap, and they say something 10, 11, 20, 11, 22, 10, which is 1910 is the patent date on them. And I found, I don't know, 15, 20 of them. I'll show them at the end later. All right, I just got a cool find. It's a Pee-wee marble. It's probably St. Mary's Marble King. Let me wipe it off here. Hold on. Just take me a second. It's a real pretty turquoise cat eye. Oh, it's a real nice condition here. It's smaller than a normal marble. They call them Pee-wees. Look how nice that is. Pretty nice. When I found them ceramic marbles, I'm not doing bad. I'll show all this stuff at the end. Cleaned up later. Oh, no way, folks. I think I got another one of them silver baby spoons. Look, there's all kinds of baby stuff in here. That's like a baby hanger, I think, with an elephant on it. But look right here. Oh, man. Please let it have. Let me see here. Oh, folks, look, it's got stuff on it. And it sure feels like silver to me. Let me get it cleaned up here. Later. Alright, it's some kind of baby spoon or something. And it says Rogers on the back, and it has 2 little things. I can't tell if it's silver or silver plate. I'll have to, but it sure looks like silver, don't it? To come up that clean with just spit. And right here, there's a stork. Right here on the neck. Boy, that's a good find. Wow, I think it's solid silver. I'm almost positive, but we'll have to see. I'll get it cleaned up when I get home. Later. Alright, I just got this marble, and that's probably some kind of a master marble, but that I'm not sure. It's got a clear base with a window looking in it, and then it's got that patch like of color on the outside, and this baby blue. It's pretty nice. But you can see there's a big honker of a long spoon there, some kind of big teaspoon or something. And I've got other ones in my pocket that I haven't even shown because I'm finding so many of them. See, there's another one. Could be silver, who knows. And I got that baby spoon, and I think it's definitely silver. I don't think there's a doubt. See how shiny it is? I think that's a silver one. I'll have to get it cleaned up. Look how nice that is. It's got a stork on it. Later. Right, check out this. Perfect. A real old embossed Barks root beer. Man, they didn't make them like that in them. Check that out. I love it. Man, that's old. Probably early 50s. 1951, 1952, I would guess, but that's nice. Wow. Later. Pretty good area back in there where I just raked out that Barks root beer. Seconds later, a big cork bottle. It's a plain one, but that's nice. It's big and old cork top. It's old. Right, I saw this online when I was looking up my last one. Check out this White House vinegar, and it's just absolutely perfect. And it's got the White House in it, on it. All right. Oh, this is awesome. It's just perfect size to put in my cabinet. Look at that embossing. Probably 1940s or 50s, I would guess. White House vinegar. They sure ain't making them like that anymore. Cork top too. Wow. Wow, folks. Let's get the White House with the fountain in front of it. All right. Later.